you may be left behind because the world is moving too fast. Owners of companies, when you hire one person in your organization, remember that is one person can at best coordinate. They will not be able to get you the results without giving them the right resources. There is no one person who's the master of everything. If your company is not taking digital seriously and is not able to sit and fix this chain of command, you may be in trouble. Hi guys, this video is for all of you people who are working as digital marketing managers in companies as their in-house digital marketing managers. This video is for you, and show it to your boss and your manager. Somehow get this to them, because I know you're not doing it correctly. Owners of companies, when you hire one person in your organization, remember that is one person can at best coordinate. They will not be able to get you the results without giving them the right resources. A typical digital marketing assignment needs 5 people: a project manager, an SEO person, a social media person, a paid marketing person, somebody who understands how to manage a website. If you don't have these resources in-house, hire an agency. But you still need a coordinator inside a company. But don't over-pressurize the coordinator thinking that that person can write content, coordinate with everybody, do everything. It's just Instagram. You can only do 3 reels. Why can't you do all of this? Yes, they can. But there is no one person who's the master of everything. If somebody is there, one person who can do everything together, they've already gone out and become influencers and making much more money than you pay them as salary. If somebody can do all of these things together, they've already become agency owners, they've already become entrepreneurs. They will not be working for you. If you have somebody who's already working for you, he or she has a good understanding of digital marketing and is a good coordinator, I would say respect their coordinating abilities on the digital marketing front and empower them by giving them either an in-house team or having them to work with an agency. And now my message to all of you people who are marketing managers. I'm sure this video made you very happy because it will make your bosses rethink. But I also want all of you people to understand that if you are not reinvesting a part of your salary by doing courses in digital marketing, there are many amazing schools like Growth School, or even Google has many courses, or international schools like founder.com. They have so many programs on Google ads, Facebook ads, analytics and all of that. And I see a lot of in-house marketing teams not pursuing all of those. You may be left behind because the world is moving too fast. And now this message is for agencies that are working with small independent companies where there's an in-house coordinator. Have multiple meetings with the owner and the coordinator together. I know there is a big gap between the owner, the in-house digital marketing coordinator, and the agency. Unless all 3 of you people are on the same page, at least 80%, I don't think you'll ever be on the 100% on the same page. You'll have various ideas, you come from various backgrounds, and that's fine. If you're 80% on the same page, who you are, where you need to go, your company will do well. If this chain is broken, your company may not do well. Remember one thing, digital is accounting for 100% revenues for most companies today. If your company is not taking digital seriously and is not able to sit and fix this chain of command, you may be in trouble. But I think that's why you're watching this video as well. So show this video to whoever needs to watch it, because I make this from experience. I make this from the heart. I want all of you people to succeed. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing your comment.